Ever noticed how the name Volvo has become almost synonymous with safety? When Volvo stepped onto the auto scene, they chose a different route. Their focus was clear. Safety was not just a feature, it was a brand itself. Every Volvo car is a testament to this commitment, as a result of which Volvo has succeeded in setting new safety standards in the industry, winning trust worldwide. But Volvo didn't stop there. They have extended their care from people to planet. They are constantly coming up with ideas and methods to increase sustainability with the promise of fully electric cars by year 2030. Now, they are not just safe, they are also green, a blend that resonates with today's conscious customers. So, what can we learn from this? First, stand for something. Volvo stands for safety. This clarity shapes everything they do. Second, evolve with the times. As sustainability became crucial, Volvo adapted. They took their care from the roads to the environment. Position your brand with a clear purpose. They stay tuned to what matters to your customers. You are supposed to stay updated with your customers' purpose. Good product and service is no longer enough to dominate the market. It is more important to have a clear purpose and stand by it. Now share this video with your friends and don't forget to save this video. Also follow Brand Iconic for more tips and insights.